Namaskar and a very good morning to one and all. It's my pleasure to be midst the legal luminaries like Justice Mohan Paris, the former Chief Justice of Sri Lanka, and Justice Iqbal Ahmed Ansari, the Chairman of Punjab and Haryana States Human Rights Commission and the former Chief Justice of Patna High Court. I welcome them on behalf of the Prestige Fraternity and all the Prestigians, all around 50,000 of them around the world. I also wish to greet and extend blessings on behalf of my revered father, Padma Shri Dr. N.N. Jain, a living legend who has spent all his life to educate and enrich the lives of millions of farmers in this region and has been a harbinger of world-class education.
Hello.
Padma Shri Dr. N.N. imparted to the local, has spent all his life, the Indian at the cost, rich the life education at the local cost to the Indian youth. We embarked
Hello, Dr. Joshi.
on this journey of legal education 5 years ago, and we have come a long way with about 1,000 students in the multiple law streams, like 5 years integrated honors courses, 3 years unitary honors course, and the master's course in the law stream. I had met Justice Mohan Paris only a few months ago, and at that time, we had no clue of what the future had in store. End of December in 2019, across the world, there was never before seen celebrations welcoming the new year 2020. We little knew that it could be one of the most challenging years in the history of humanity. No bombs dropped, no weapons of mass destructions used. We all are locked down with an economic disruption of unprecedented magnitude due to an invisible, unheard enemy lurking in the shadows known as SARS-CoV-19 or the novel coronavirus. I have been an industry practitioner for the last 4 decades and must be honest to my core that I haven't seen such a case earlier. While India is aiming to become a $5 trillion economy with the demographic advantage of having the youngest population on earth and a dynamic market displaying consistent growth over the past 2 decades. COVID-19 is an unprecedented event which might hinder our efforts to achieve our dreams of becoming a $5 trillion economy. The challenges is not at the finance or economic front only, but some humanitarian issues and challenges have far-sighted consequences, which we are ill prepared to manage. Our health infrastructure, agriculture support system, labor laws, associated legal systems are not only old, but some sections of these set rules are also obsolete and unproductive. It seems our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji had read my mind and in his speech of last Sunday specifically mentioned laws as one of the 5 pillars that need reforms. In light of this, I see a great future and increasing demand for legal profession. The pandemic, which gave rise to great deal of careful drafting of each and every document that we shall see henceforth. I feel it is the time for an overall reset and to reboot the system and processes. The sole intention of our institute is to make highly proficient lawyers. A lawyer may need to defend on either side of any case, debates are a very suitable practice ground to inculcate the ability and acumen that will be needed to plead in courts of law. The topic chosen by the Institute is apt at the current stage. We all would wish to hear the young debaters bring out their logic both for the motion and against the motion, and may the best one win. With these words, I welcome our former Chief Justice of Sri Lanka, Shri Mohan Paris, and the former Chief Justice of Patna High Court, Shri Justice Iqbal Ahmed Ansari ji, and the faculty and the participants of this debate competition. Thank you very much.